Okay, YouTubeness, Big Edster here. I'm bringing you a unboxed video. Not a unboxing, because I already tried that and it don't work out. So this is a unboxed video of the Atlantis 69 Chevy Nova in 1/32 scale. Alright, here is the body. Got some flash along the bottom. Got some windshield wiper molded in. And all in all, I mean, it's got some flash to her. Interior tub, that's pretty good detailing. Exhaust. Dashboard. Seats. Here's the glass, which is a one-piece glass. And there's your headlights. Bumpers. Rims, rally rims. Air cleaner. Shifter. Oh, there's the brake booster. One thing I find pretty interesting is there's the chassis with the bottom of the engine, but look, it gives you a whole engine there. There's your rear end, front end, and then you go to the next sprue. It gives you the top of the engine, fan belt, and look at the scoop it gives you in there. That's kind of cool for the hood. Let's do some decals. There is the decals for it. And instructions. Instructions ain't too bad. Pretty self-explanatory for a 1/32 scale. But I saw it on the counter up there. It's $21.99, $22. And I haven't seen anybody do any insight on it, so I just thought I'd show it to you guys. I'm not good at on these unboxing videos, but maybe it was enough so you can see what it looks like. Big Eddie, peace!